All right. Kuya40 wants me to play Jack the Giant Killer in Arcade Mode. Yeah, I think Zab was trying really hard to just pick a bad video game, and he succeeded.
I don't think I've ever even heard of that one.
I had never heard of it. Uh, oh, it's got a really high score, 1300. So yeah, you're there's Jack. There's this beanstalk, and you sit there and go up the beanstalk, which the controls are janky. Um, and then yeah, it's easy just to fall right off the beanstalk.
You remember, like, when you would have like a console cartridge and it wouldn't go in quite right, and you get like letters where it shouldn't be. That's what that game
That's what
always
this
looks
game
like
looks
to me.
like. Yes, I agree. And then there's a second stage with the giant. So, all right, let's play Jack the Giant Killer. This game is so frustrating. You have no idea. It's like you jump too early and you die, and if you jump too late, you fall and die. And so,
Sounds like every Mario game ever.
oh my god, no, Mario. At least you had some feedback. There's like no feedback. It's so bad. All right, here we go. Game 2.
Oh my god!
1350. I beat it. 1350. Neil's falling down on the job.
Oh,
You got it?
yeah, I got it.
1350. New high score. It is totally a Donkey Kong ripoff. All right, new high score, 1350. I am determined. I felt like that was the game that I was going to get up to the giant, and then I fell. So yeah, we Bort Bort heals all. All right.
I don't think Bort could handle this game.
Yeah, no, Bort could not handle this. All right, here we go. Thanks. There's not even a game over. It just goes back to like the
This was before Game Over. I'm just
maybe.
no, it's not.
I don't know.
Animatronics.
Yeah, look up what else they made because so far it's terrible. All right, one last game, and we already beat the high score, so uh, hopefully we'll be able to beat it again.
Originally, they did vector games.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Well, their first Rackster game was terrible.
Did something called Space Wars. Oh, evidently they put out Dragon's Lair. Yeah, they released it.
Hey, Jack. How's it going? Welcome, welcome. All right, well, there's Jack the Giantkiller. I beat the high score, 1350, so I will add you to the high score list there, Kuya.
You didn't even make the score.
Not the score on the machine.
On the machine.
Yeah. I think I need to beat the giant, but I haven't been able to do it. I can't believe it, just by 50 points. All right, I'm updating the high score list real quick. All right, there we go. Yeah, it's so difficult because you don't know, like, basically what I was doing was, so on this screen, you know how your body is a square? I make sure the square of your body stays on a vine. So I'm lining up that. On the other one, it's like right when your foot gets to the edge, you have to jump. Not more, not a pixel more, not a pixel less. It has to be right there. And so, oh my goodness, it's just so difficult. Anyway, all right, let's play some Pokemon.